Hey, it's your boy Joey here. We're in my bedroom, current bedroom. Still have to do a tour of the house, but that baby blue, not my style, but you know, whatever. Got some of my stuffy friendly boys here. One of my favorites. But we're gonna do a little plant tour today. So it's official. Pretty sure all my water plants died in the big freeze. I don't know if I talked about that, but this is some fresh pothos I got from a friend. Some wandering Jews in here. This one's super cool because it's fuzzy. And we're growing some lettuce because Roger really likes lettuce. Well, regrowing. And we're trying to see if the onion will grow. And I've never seen lettuce grow like that. But, you know, still cool. So, let's check the next one. We got this one. It's one of Grandma's. These leaves are looking the best. Pretty sure it probably needs watering. We got the one in the corner over there. This part's growing really well. We got this one here, which some of it's okay, doing well. Oh, I see. There's a branch over here, and then this one that comes up and around. Meow. This one here barely grows. This is new. We got this wild cactus still. The jade is growing. This thing, which I think is rabbit's tail fern. This is a brand new leaf right here. And we added some wandering Jew in here. This has a bunch of random seeds in it. I don't know. Some of this is growing, some of it isn't. Some of it's just not dying. We do finally have another leaf on this bad mamma jamma. This is the new pothos. Pothos? Whatever you call it. This one is growing really well. This one is newer. This one's really cool. And it's growing really well. I'm gonna let it grow a little bit more. And then I'm going to try and propagate it. Polka dot plants back there. Oh, there's only one there. Here's the other two. They're doing. This one, I don't think it's gonna survive. This one's alive. This, I have no idea what this is. This one's a grandma plant. Here's the fuzzy one, the main plant. This philodendron is new. And whatever this one is, it's new. And some more pothos. That's the wandering Jew bucket. This is gonna be some catnip. We still got this. It's not so happy down here, but whatever, it's alive. It's cold out there, Mike. There's that one there. I forgot. I did some bathroom plants. So we got a regular green CZ plant. I don't know if it's growing, but it's alive. The snake plant is alive and growing, and this baby's cool. This came from Grandma's spider plant. I do need to repot it or get fresh soil in here, but it's alive. In October, November, whenever I brought it in, I cut off all the babies. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 babies growing. Can't wait till they get this back outside for summer. And then we'll go downstairs real quick. All right, I'm not sure how well this will work. It's a little messy down here still because it's been cold. And as you can tell, it's still hard for me to breathe. But these are all grandma plants. A lot have died, and it turns out when this vine takes over and whatever this succulent is takes over, you get no light back here. Not sure why we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of that one, 7 because there's another one. But this Christmas cactus, look at that. And then this one over here, just how old are these? And whatever this is, it's cool. Oh, we got even more because that's that too. Looks like that one's dead. We got some aloe and whatever those are. Some more ivy and succulents. I think that's a polka dot plant there. Some more aloe. I think that one's dead. But something here is alive. But this, oh, cactus. That's alive. There's some green there. And there's some green in this cactus. I am planning to cut back a lot of the aloe or whatever the succulent is. And I told Roger I'm going to give a bunch of it away because we don't need this many. And yeah, this used to all be plants. Sorry, words. ADHD just started focusing on plants. But anyways, yeah, that's all the plants. I want to get some more, but I don't think I'm ready for it. We did get the chain back on. We got some chain lube. I think that was one of the issues, was there's no lube in there. And once it warms back up, I will be able to start doing more to the trees outside because they drop back into freezing temperatures. And come on, Mike. He's my buddy. Oh. Back into freezing. Do that outside. Oh yeah, I'm going back to work this week. So that's exciting. We'll have to figure out all the Roger stuff. But anyways, time for me to cook dinner. That's my pint tour. I think that's everything except for what's outside, but I'm not going out there. So peace out.